Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Pressing pause. It's a skill that allows us to get our minds above the line and get us ready to step up with above the line responses. And we've learned about the importance of pressing pause right before we respond. And while that is an important skill to leading to being the best versions of ourselves, it's not the only time we can press pause. Every morning, think about it. We press pause, and we will again this morning with some of our deep breathing. And when we do this, we're not pressing pause right before we respond. We're actually pressing pause before an event, before the school day begins, which is our event. And we're pausing before we even have to respond. And again, we are not responding yet, and our focus is still on the event, which is a school day ahead of us, and then the outcome, which every day we have the outcome of being the best versions of ourselves. And when we press pause before an event, we are preparing our brain by thinking about and realizing the different events we are going to encounter throughout the day. What do we know is going to happen every school day? These are some of the things we can think about when we're pressing pause. There are many things we need to prepare for. And when we press pause before our school day, then we can prepare our brains for events we know are going to take place. And the more your brain is prepared for these events, then the quicker and the better you're going to be able to respond when those events happen, because you were prepared in your brain first. You thought about what above the line responses you're going to need in those moments to help you achieve the outcome of being the best version of yourself. Now, the fancy name for this time to press pause is called a proactive pause, which just means you're preparing yourself in your mind first. You're being above the line in your mind even before you have to deal with an event or before it comes before you. And the more we learn about pressing pause, the more we will understand that we shouldn't just react to things right away. We need to think first, then act. Let's use that skill of pressing pause today to live the pirate way, to respond above the line, and to be the best versions of ourselves this Tuesday at Furry. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 26th, 2023. And for lunch day, we will have French toast with syrup, scrambled eggs, hash brown tots, and juice. If you're choosing a sandwich this week, it's either going to be ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We have a few birthdays to celebrate today in Furry. We want to say happy birthday to Sydney Ramsdell, Julie Taylor, Chevy Rapp, and Hendrix Barnhart, who are all celebrating their birthdays with the Furry team today. Happy birthday to all of you students, and we hope you have a wonderful day getting a year older on this Tuesday with all your fellow pirates here at Furry. And we have some more academic congratulations to recognize this morning. We want to say congratulations to kindergarten student Micah White for joining the Alphabet Club, and that's in Mrs. Ottenbacher's class. Congratulations to Tate Lang and Colton Stevens for joining the Alphabet Club, and that's in Mrs. Obergefel's class. And congratulations to Amanda Robles and Tanner Frisch for joining the Alphabet Club, and that's in Miss Halleck's class. Well done to all of those kindergarten students who are continuing to do the work to earn these academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment for that proactive pause where we press pause and get our minds right each and every morning before the event takes place, which is the rest of our school day. And we don't know exactly what events will take place all throughout the school day, but we can prepare ourselves because we do know some things that will happen. So that's why we press pause now, get our minds right now, so when we do face those events, we already know what above the line response we should do. So we'll go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good. We do not have any other announcements for you this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.